If you delete an employee out of the system and then you want to get them back for one reason or another, that's what restore employee is. You never truly have to delete an employee out of the software. That being said, just terminate them. Just enter in a termination date. By default, be filtered from your view. If you want to go retrieve archived records on, your old retirees, fine. Just, all you got to do is just uncheck the box and it'll filter them back in and you can run reports on them just like as if they were here. Now, once you enter in a termination date for an employee, and that's under their employee information screen, the software will recognize that. And at that point, they can't log in. All their accruals will stop and things like that, but their records are still there. Their historical records are saved forever in the software. So you never have to really truly delete anyone out of the software, just so you know. If you want to delete them, fine, delete them. If you want to get them back later, it's easy. You can do it yourself. Just go to restore employee and it'll restore them.